Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Lunc price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that I expect to play out here on the Lunc chart. And before I kickstart the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the forward chart by first giving you a brief of what has been happening on the Lunc chart, where you can see that Lunc, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 taking us back to around the $0.00059 mark, and also completed the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And whatever we expected next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 is the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, which is a corrective wave, and because of its corrective nature, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure in the formation of that second wave, which we are seeing right here in red, having that wave C taking us back to around the $0.00011 mark, and also completed the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2 is an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, and this is what I'm expecting to play out on the Lunc chart on the long-term scenarios. And in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that higher Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 5 of the fractal wave completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And if I zoom in, because I believe we have started such a movement here on the Lunc chart, you can see that after making our low in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, we have been seeing a very nice bounce to the upside, which has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we can term that as the first wave to the upside, then a wave 2, then I'm expecting a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And over here in the formation of a second wave, you can see we retraced back into the target area that I had sketched out using the Fibonacci's in the formation of that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618. We lost the Fib level 0.618 a little bit, then we started seeing this recovery to the upside in what might be the start of the formation of this wave 3 to the upside, where we also expect to see fractal waves in formation because the wave 3 is still an impulsive movement. And in the formation of that wave 3, we also expect to see a wave 1, then a wave 2, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which should complete the formation of this wave 3 to the upside. And this might be the start of that lower degree Elliot wave structure that we expect in the formation of that wave 3, where we have seen the wave 1 and also a wave 2, and right now we might be in the start of this wave 3 to the upside. And once we manage to get back above the 20-day MA, then we might have the support we need for us to continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 3 to the upside, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 in yellow. I can connect the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0002442 mark. And once you get into that target area, then we'll be facing a key area of resistance at that point, and in case we manage to break above it, then we can expect to make one more lower high before we see a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of the higher Elliot wave count 3 that I'm expecting to play out on the long-term scenarios. We can connect the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.001 mark. And in case Lunc continues to push higher in the formation of this wave 3, then there are chances of losing 1-0 in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side and also to the lower side. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have printed a bearish cross, and that would mean lower prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and as the chart continues to unfold, I'll keep you updated.